Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Xbox app and signing in with the Microsoft account linked to your gamer tag. Once done, make sure the app is updated so settings appear correctly. Updates fix permission quirks. You should also prepare the image you want, PNG or JPG under 4 MB, because the app enforces size and format. Now navigate to your profile icon in the top left. This first move gets you into profile controls, which is where changing a Gamerpic actually begins. Once inside Customize, you tap Change Gamerpic to see options. You can pick an Xbox avatar for consistency or select Upload a custom image for something unique. When you choose Upload, the app opens your device gallery. Select the prepared image and then crop and position it to fit the circle frame. Make sure the focal area is centered. Small faces or text can be clipped. After adjusting, hit Save so the app applies the new Gamerpic to your profile immediately. After saving, give the service a moment to sync. You should see the new Gamerpic across devices. If it doesn't appear, sign out and back in to force a refresh, and make sure your account privacy allows a custom Gamerpic. Child accounts may be restricted. If you still hit errors, clear the app cache or reinstall the Xbox app because cached data can block updates. And if upload fails, reduce file size under 4 MB and retry. That usually resolves the most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.